Let's create a concept map using Google Drawings. You can access Google Drawings by going to drawings.google.com, or from your Google Drive, click on New, hover over More, then Google Drawings. Don't forget to name your document. Click on the Shapes tool, hover over Shapes, then choose whichever shape you want. I'm going to use the rounded rectangle. Left click and drag your shape on the screen. Click on the paint can to change the color. Click on the underline pencil to change the color of the border. Click on the 3 lines to make your border thicker or thinner. Right click on your shape and select Copy. Right click somewhere else on your screen and select Paste. Now we have 2 of the same box. Or use a keyboard shortcut. Left click on your shape to make sure it's selected. Press Ctrl C. Left click somewhere else on the screen, then press Ctrl V as many times as you need to. You can move these boxes around by hovering your cursor over the shape until the pointer turns to the 4 arrows. Left click and drag your box to where you want it on your screen. To put text in your box, double click in the box. Text. Format your text by left click and dragging your cursor over the text. Underline A to change the text color. B for bold. Underline U to underline. Click the Align button. Choose Center Alignment to put the text in the middle of your box. Next, we're going to connect our boxes by clicking on the down arrow next to the line tool. Choose Elbow Connector. Hover your crosshairs over the first box. Notice that 4 gray handles appear. Left click and hold on top of one of the handles. And drag your elbow connector to the next box and drop it on top of one of the purple handles on box 2. Let go of the left click. Click here to choose the Select tool. Move box 2 around and you'll see that the elbow connector stays connected. Let's do the same for the other boxes. You can change the color of your background by right-clicking, or if you're using a Chromebook, tap with 2 fingers at the same time on the touchpad. Hover over background and select the color that you want. You can make your canvas larger by clicking on View and Zoom. Choose 50%. Left click and drag over the corner of the canvas to make your canvas larger. Then you can copy boxes and paste them in other locations on the screen and connect them as we did before.